So recently OpenAI had their dev day and they announced a lot of new things that are pretty exciting. First of all, OpenAI sort of wants to make ChatGPT as like a one for all platform. So you can go to ChatGPT and probe other applications. Like you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to play a certain Spotify playlist, or you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to make like a Figma design and ask it to make a Canva design for a poster. Right now they're limiting themselves to apps that are really popular. It's a tech that is relatively new and the idea is pretty cool. Next thing is you can now make API calls towards Sora. The price range for the API calls is going to be from 10 cents to 50 cents. So yeah, if you want to make like a full length AI movie, now you know how much it's going to cost. They also announced Codex GitHub Actions. That is, every time you make a new PR on GitHub, ChatGPT checks the code quality of your PR, which is actually pretty cool. It also helps you in writing documentations and helping you sort out security flaws. The thing that really excited me in the Dev Day announcement was something called Agent Kit. A few days back, I was talking about N8N and how it's a great alternative to Zapier to automate stuff, and it's open source. Well, the Agent Kit is an alternative to N8N, but to make AI app. You can drag and drop different blocks to basically make some sort of app on OpenAI's Agent Kit. I'm actually pretty excited for this, but again, I feel like it's a dual-edged sword. Like on the one hand, it's pretty cool that non-technical people get to play around with AI tools, which doesn't have a really high barrier to entry. But on the other hand, because there is no high barrier to entry, eventually you're gonna hit certain skill ceiling and you might need some technical support to like break through that hurdle that you're facing. It's pretty great that OpenAI sort of is building systems for non-technical people to build technical stuff.